Your Excellency, our special guest of honor, let me on behalf of the good people of Rivers State most sincerely thank you for accepting our invitation to commission this particular road today. It is not easy at this critical period for you to leave your state, but in spite of everything you are doing, you still oblige us. God will bless you for that. Your Excellency, the Commissioner of Works has said it all. But what is important is that this was a project that was supposed to be between us and NDDC. I was with the Minister of Niger Delta and the sole administrator of NDDC. I'm happy he's here. We agreed to share the funding of this project 50%. As I speak to you, they ran away. Never brought a dime. But look at their headquarters here. They're enjoying the road now. It's unfortunate, and I've always said it. I've never seen a corporate body that will say they will enter into a partnership with the government and then they will not fulfill their own promise. I've never seen such in my life. It's only in this part of the world. They are happy, there's a road, they are happy, there's a drainage, and now it's going to give beauty to this their edifice. But I'll make it uncomfortable for them. Very much, I'll make it uncomfortable for them. If this is where you operate, and you tell the government, and that is why even when they make promise to communities, they will abandon it. If you can play this trick to a government, well, you can imagine what will happen to other communities when they deal with them. It's such a shame. Well, I'm not surprised. We know the type of government people are running under your administration. No, you will never make promise to Nigerians and fulfill that promise. It's in Igbo's character. Continue. Nigerians are waiting for you to chase people away 2023. Nobody will allow this kind of characters to be in charge of government. Now, most people may have forgotten how this road used to be. You can come now and see the visualization. It looks so simple. But all of us who are from here know how it used to be. And I thank Julius Berger that they've completed this road. And we have also paid them 100%, so we're not owing them too. So as far as this road is concerned, we're paid 100%. I thank them for commitment and thank the Minister of Works for making sure that today is a reality. For us, somebody called me yesterday and said, I was not tired of commissioning. I said, until May 29, 2023, we cannot be tired. That is the day our contract will end with the people of Rivers State. So we'll continue to do what we're supposed to do till May 29, 2023. So I told the person, well, except you are saying that our tenure ends now. But if our tenure does not end now, then we'll continue to do the work till our tenure will end. I can only find this in PDP states. You can only find this in PDP states. Because I can imagine what is happening. Somebody said, I didn't sign letter. Somebody said, I signed letter. Somebody said, you want America. Somebody said, all kinds of crises. Now, they have abandoned governance. Everybody is moving to London. That's where governance is coming from. I've never seen and whether Nigeria can still be patient to wait for these people. It's most unfortunate, very unfortunate.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.